suck my dick.
Hello?
Man, you see these motherfuckers behind me. The troopers and all. I ain't stopping. You hear that? I'm not stopping. I'm going downtown. Bitch ass trooper. I go to the brother. This bitch ass nigga get me. I pull in the driveway. I'm chilling for a minute. Then next thing you know, this bitch ass nigga gonna go around the corner and park. I'm not stopping for his bitch ass. I'm not. I'm not stopping. They can suck my dick. Man, you don't hear them? They behind me. I'm right here by the dollar store on Arlington. Not stopping for these bitches. I'm not stopping. Suck my dick. Suck my dick, bitch. You bitch ass hunky. Fuck out of here, bitch. Not stopping for you bitches. I'm not stopping for them punk ass bitches. Look at these. Man, I'm not stopping for they can suck my dick. Bitch, get the fuck out of here. Suck my dick. Man, suck my dick. Suck my dick, bitch. I'm going downtown. I'm not stopping for them bitches. Say what? Because I'm getting arrested regardless. So am I supposed to go downtown and let them do something to me out here? I'm not, fuck, they can suck my dick. Now look at these bitches. Look at these weird ass hunkies. Look at these weird ass hunkies. Man, I'm cruising. I ain't speed. I'm at every stoplight. I ain't fuck. They can suck my dick. Then they can suck my black dick.
What do you want me to do?
Now I'm just gonna go downtown, and you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna get out right there, but I'm gonna park this car so they won't, you know. But they can suck my dick. All of them, every last 101 of them can suck my dick.
The house keys and everything. You got.
Hey, listen, I'm about to Okay, well with I got the house keys in my hand. Where you at?
Following you, I thought you just went up the hill.
I'm about to go down. I'm coming up Whitney. I'm gonna throw the keys on my dad's porch. I see you right there.
Just stop at the gas.
Hell no! I'm not ready.
I don't want to have
Man, they can suck my dick.
They gonna think you got to. They gonna take the keys thinking you do some dope out of the car. So I don't even.
Alright. Fuck out my way. Man, get the fuck out my way. Get the fuck out my way. Suck my dick. Tell them suck my dick. Tell them bitches suck my dick. Suck my dick. Suck my dick. Suck my dick. Fuck you. Suck my dick. I need a motherfucking light. Suck my dick. Suck my dick! Tell them suck my dick. And if they get it from a boat, I'ma blast that bitch. It's my show. Bitch, I ain't stopping. I ain't stopping. Man, y'all can suck my dick. Suck my dick. Suck my dick. Suck my dick. Ah, man, fuck them. They can suck my dick, literally. Hey, man, turn that shit off. Man, suck my dick. Bitch, watch out, bitch. Watch out, bitch. Watch out, bitch. Can't fuck with me, bitch. Bash one of you hoes. I ain't stopping. I ain't stopping. I'm not stopping. Bitch, I ain't suck my dick. Fuck you. They can suck my dick. Yeah, man, this bitch ass trooper, this bitch ass nigga, I'm driving and shit. This bitch ass nigga gonna pull him on the corner and park on me. So when I pull off, his bitch ass, I'm like, you know what? Suck my dick. Whole police force, they can suck my dick. Man, fuck y'all. Come on, come on. I need a light. I'm so sick of these bitch ass niggas. It's gonna fuck them up if I get away. It's gonna fuck them up if I jump out and get away. I don't feel like getting caught today. Suck my dick. Fuck out my way. Say what? I can't hear you. I'm on Arlington going by shit of it. I'm going by Rockets. And I'm going by my Circle K. Fuck you! Fuck you, bitch! Suck my dick, bitch! Bitch, fuck out my motherfucking way! Bitch, get out my way! Bitch, get out my way, bitch! I don't give a fuck, bitch! Get the fuck out! Man, get the fuck out my way! Get the fuck out my way, bitch! Suck my dick! I'm coming up, shut it in! you gonna do? What the fuck you gonna do? Bitch ass nigga. Your bitch ass. The type of shit that happened when I'm running through the hood. Yeah. Bitch, I'ma bust your motherfucking head, bitch. I'ma bust your motherfucking head. Man, suck my dick. When I'm done, what up? They can suck my dick. Bitch, die. Bitch, you can die trying, bitch. You can die trying, bitch. Fuck out of here.
I'm on Arlington, where you at?
You say what?
I'm on Arlington, where you at?
I'm coming down. Stay. Where you at on Arlington?
Right by you.
By the building. All right, stay right there. I'm about to come down Clark and take Clark all the way to whatchamacallit, to the police station. I'm coming down Clark.
Alright, I'm right here.
I'm gonna be here, yo. I'm coming down Clark.
And you could have hopped out and paused and ran.
I was thinking about it. If they had that back door open. I don't feel like going to jail today.
You said, why you didn't get on?
No. Because I ain't get on the run because I ain't, you know what I'm saying? I ain't know. Matter of fact, what's his name was calling me.
You could have got all that pull at MJ's and run through the cut.
Which cut?
Right there by the white lady's house.
I'm right there at MJ's. Where you at? You should have went there. You see where I'm at? Man, watch the fuck out, man. Fuck them. Fuck y'all, man. Fuck you bitches, bro. Dick sucking ass. Fucking hunkies.
This don't do nothing crazy and make them shoot you.
Watch your bitch ass out. Hey, get your bitch ass out the way. Dummy.
It got me going crazy. I have to stay behind you.
I-
I'm behind you now to make sure they don't do something. It's a big deal, so
Say what? Okay, and I'm coming down by Rockies. All right, I'm going down. I'm about to turn. I'm going in now. All right, listen. I'm going to come back up 2nd Avenue and come down Arlington, and you can follow me all the way to the police station. These dick sucking bitches, bro. Man, these stupid motherfuckers, man. Yeah, I'm in big boy shit. I'm in a big. I got 35 inches of tire. Fuck. So sick. I'm so sick of these bitch ass motherfuckers. Bad, dude, bad. Bitch ass out my way, bitch. Get your bitch ass out my way, bitch. Get your bitch ass out my way, bitch. Get the fuck out my way, bitch. bitch ass out my way, you bitch ass nigga. Hello? I'm going down this change right now. And I'm pulling right up on a curve. Fuck. Hold on. Fuck out my way. Hello? Hello? Hold on, because I'm trying to secure this action. Hello? Fuck.